Everybody has a negative connotation of animal research, and coming from general veterinary practice, I had sort of that odd feeling too, until I stepped in the building and really learned what it was all about. And now I'm a huge advocate of research in general, animals being used, as long as everything is done to the top of its ability.
Yeah, there are certainly a lot of misperceptions about how animals are cared for and used in the research setting. What a lot of people don't know necessarily is that there are lots of regulations and guidelines that specifically focus on animal welfare and how animals are cared for in this setting. One of the reasons that I'm here as a veterinarian and that other veterinarians are involved in the care of these animals is that it is actually a requirement that we have veterinary care available 24/7, 365 on an emergency and routine basis for all animals here.
It is my team's job to make sure that all the animals within our facility are happy and healthy throughout their time here. We make sure that they're cared for daily. They get their enrichment, they get toys, puzzle toys, and also all their medical treatments throughout their course of their study.
We follow the 3 R's of animal welfare: replacement, refinement, and reduction. There is the goal to replace animal use as much as you can with in vitro and in silico methods. Then there is the requirement to refine procedures as much as we can, and this ties into if we conduct training and refine our processes as best we can, we'll avoid the need to use more animals in the future. And then reduction is using the smallest number of animals that is necessary.
It's my passion to make sure that these animals are happy and healthy, are taken care of the best they can be while they're here.